Just want to do a real quick recap of what I just did. I took 2 Pyrex 7-cup bowls. They're a liter, 1.8 liters? I forget exactly. 1 point something liters. And 1.75 quarts. So yeah, so probably 1.8 liters, somewhere in there. And I took 8 of the Osfortis pills, and I put in the bottom 7-cup Pyrex bowl. I folded up, and I'll show when I'm finished. I made some little spacers with aluminum foil. I did 3 this size tablespoons, this is a silver-plated spoon, of heaping of sugar. Put a little more sugar in that one. Whisk that up. And then put the second bowl on top and did the same amount, but I used the leftover of the 2 pints. Shook that up with the half and half and poured in.